Hello. I will try to introduce the software engineering subject. Also, I will ask you to do small tasks and answer the questions. If you get bored, click on me with the mouse or virtual reality pad button. It will show the menu. So, let's start. Let us start with the introduction. First, Tomas will tell why you should be interested in software engineering topic. Later he will explain the concept of software engineering. He will discuss the key challenges in software engineering and provide key points in a FAQ form.
Hi, in this video I will talk about software engineering and software project management in general. First, let's talk about motivation. Why do we need to use software engineering methods, although we can create software without using it? Let's see a video for a minute.
Some people like to climb mountains.
So, what would you like to do now?
Now let's talk about some key challenges. And the first couple of key challenges is heterogeneity and scale. Increasingly, systems are required to operate as distributed systems across networks that include different.
So, what would you like to do now? Thank you, Tomas, for your presentation. And now, try to answer the questions. The first question is, why there are still so many failed projects nowadays? No. The increasing system complexity is the major challenge. Let us proceed. And the second question is, what is the software engineering discipline concerned about? Yes. Software engineering discipline is concerned about all aspects of software development. The next question is related to key challenges. Which challenge would you fear most? Thank you. That is a really important challenge. Let me ask you the last question. Easy to read code relates to? No. Easy to read code improves maintainability. That's all. It was nice to play with you. Till the next time. Let's talk about ethics. This is a rare but important topic. First, Egil will explain why software engineers need a code of ethics. Later she will discuss every principle of the ethics code and provide key points. So, let's start.
Hello! In this video I'll talk about ethics in software engineering. There are so many people that are using computers and are affected without even noticing it. It is extremely important to know ethics that is related to design, behavior.
So, what would you like to do now?
That's why ACM, or the Association of Computing Machinery, and IEEE, or Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, jointly created the Code of 8 Ethical Principles. They are related to the behavior of professional software engineers in decision-making that includes other people, for example, practitioners, educators, managers, supervisors, and policymakers, as well as trainees and students. This is a short preamble. As you may see, the creators of the code think about software engineering as being a beneficial and respected profession with commitment to the health, safety, and welfare of the public. In this lecture, I'll shortly present all principles. For more detailed information, please open the link that is shown in the slide. The first principle is public. Engineers shall act consistently with the public interest.
So, what would you like to do now? Okay. Try to answer the questions. The first question is, why is it important to know the code of ethics? Yes. There is a large gray area between breaking the law and ethical behavior. Also, software engineers must behave honestly and ethically if they are to be respected as professionals. Let us proceed. And the second question is, what is the principle called self about? Yes. It is about participating in lifelong learning and promoting an ethical approach to the practice of the profession. The next question is also related to principles. What is the principle called public about? Yes. The engineers should not violate the public interest. Let me ask you the last question. What principle is the most important? Exactly. As I mentioned, the engineers should not violate the public interest. That's all. It was nice to play with you. Till the next time.